I'm Anil Kumar, sharing with you some practice questions on integration by substitution. We need to integrate x times 2x plus 1 times e to the power of 4 x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4. Now in this integrand, what you notice here is that derivative of this exponent is kind of related to another component of this integrand. And therefore, that kind of reminds you of chain rule, right? Therefore, we could use substitution. So we could substitute u as equal to e to the power of all this, e to the power of 4 x cubed plus 3 x squared minus 4. In that case, du will be equals to derivative of all this, right, which is 4 times 3 is 12 x squared plus 6x, that is 0, times e to the power of 4x cubed plus 3x minus 4 dx. Right. Now here we could factor 6, right? So we could factor this 6 here and 6x rather. So we get 6x as factored out. So we get 2x plus 1 e to the power of 4x cubed plus 3x minus 4 dx. Now if you compare with the question, you will find that we have 6 extra, but otherwise we have everything required, right? So it is a good substitution. Let's go ahead with the substitution and do the needful, right? So we learned this substitution. Now let me rearrange this part so that we could directly substitute it. So what I'm just doing it here as one step extra, which is not really required. So what I will do here is that we know what e to the power of all this times dx is, right? So what we can do here is that let me rearrange and then I'll tell you what. Now this part is actually u, right? This part is actually u, correct? And therefore what we can do here is that we could actually write this as, okay, so let me go it in two steps. Du equals to 6 times x times 2x plus 1 times u dx. Is it okay? Now we need to find what a factor x times 2x plus 1, which is right there, right? So if I take out what is not required on this side, what I get here is 1 over 6u du equals to x times 2x plus 1 dx. Do you see that? That is what we get here, right? Now, in this particular situation, let me rearrange that part and then show you what we have. So we could write this as e to the power of 4x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4, and then I'm writing x times 2x plus 1 dx. So what you see here is that all this factor can be replaced by that 1 over 6u, and the first factor is actually u for us, right? So we could write this as equal to integral of, so we are writing u for this part, and then for the rest of it we are writing 1 over 6u du. Do you see that? 1 over 6u du. Now u and u cancel, so what you get here is integral of 1 over 6 du. Now that is a constant, right? That is a constant. So what you get here is 1 over 6 u, right? So you get 1 over 6 u plus c as a general solution for this integrand. Now u is the exponent part, so we could replace it with that part, which is e to the power of 4x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4 plus c. So that becomes the solution for the given question. I hope the steps are clear and they make sense to you. I'm Anil Kumar. You can always share and subscribe my videos. Thank you for your time.